Now we will moving to the supplier beginning balance, suppliers setup option, balances, supplier balances. The first supplier, Sanat Jayasuriya Private Limited, Sanat Jayasuriya Private Limited, at purchase. Here at purchase in the down. New purchase activated on the Sanat Jayasuriya. Automatically create the PO number. Change the date 23 January 15. Change 23 January 15. The supplier invoice number, type here PO 2223. Pre-conversion purchase, so purchase beginning 6,000. First supplier, first outstanding. Supplier 1, first invoice outstanding record. Sanat Jayasuriya. Number 2, second invoice outstanding from February. At purchase, new purchase, change the date February 12th. In the date February 12th. Invoice number given here PO 3545. Amount outstanding, the same amount 6,000 by second invoice and record. Third one, March 12th. Then the PO number 7891. Reconversion amount on 10,000. All invoices outstanding to this supplier 22,000. This is called the supplier beginning to the 1st April 23, 22,000. Complete. Similar to the sales, change here second supplier on XY companies. Last one. Use supplier XY company private limited. No supplier summary. Click on add purchase. New purchase. The first invoice outstanding January 15. Change the date January 15. Use the supplier invoice number, actually in company PO number, PO 5323. Pre-conversion purchased 8,000, including VAT record. At purchased, new purchased, change the period by February 12th. February 12th. One, three, four, five. Reconversion 6,000. Second one. Amount and the date very important. You have to be recorded correctly by the date and amount. Do not be recorded for the different month. Then the outstanding invoices are viewed on the wrong period and including the amount. Others are no issues. Numbers and the memo. At purchased, new purchase, the last date, 1st March. Change the period, 1st March. Not February, March. PO number 5891, 12,000, including VAT on 1,800. Now you get here the altogether the XY company private limited 26,000 outstanding. You compare with your tutorial. 26,000 outstanding. That should be equal because of that how about your student from here close this application, goes to the again customer card, customer list, go to the customers, double click and open the customer. The details are there now. Active your amount. The likewise, the customers and supplier both now activated. Card list now in the supplier. This total amount, look at here. If I put on the supplier tree by Ashok Company Private Limited, select from the beginning, setup, balances, supplier. Now look at here. Customer balances, you select here customer balances. First you check the customer setup, balances, customers. What's your total amount? In the customer summary, total amount 70,000. Now you turn to the first page in the general ledger. Compare with your account receivable amount. How much? 70,000. Should be equal with the control account. Otherwise, create suspense. Understood? Now, supplier. Still, we enter two suppliers. Balances. Supplier balance. Select the third one, Ashok Company. Select at purchased. New purchase. Right, complete these balances for supplier. You have to be come on the correct time, man. You want another short break. At purchased, Select the supplier, PO number and supply invoice number, and the total including tax record. Then click on supplier summary, update the supplier detail. In the supplier detail area, and supplier summary is there. Learning fast. Learning fast. You hear me? In fast. Not responding. No. Next week we will schedule on your mid-semester exam for the online student to ready for the exam. Right. The balance you have to be completed at your home by the few suppliers. Shall we move to the inventory beginning balances? Turn to the page number 3. Page number 3. Inventory and other items. Opening or beginning balances. Page number 3. Right. Inventory item. Inventory. Still, some people are creating a customer, supply, and inventory. Then click on here, inventory adjustment. Inventory adjustment. Got this point? Again, inventory, inventory adjustment. From here, look at here. Inventory journal 001. Change the date 23 April 1st. Our system conversion date. Type the memo, opening balance, inventory. Opening balance, inventory. Okay. Opening balance, inventory. Click on item number, then tab button. Tab. Right. You find this item. First table, repair item. RP cord handle. Select here. RP cord handle. Select this item. RP cord handle. Use item. Used item. Not applicable on quantity on hand because it's a repair item. No? Give the unit price by 400. 400. Ne? Repair item. No quantity on hand. Integrated to the general inventory. General inventory. Select the item. Second, RP rubber handle. Select the correct item. RP rubber handle. Repair item, no quantity on hand. Sometime it may be like having an item 250. Then not updated on the amount. Integrated on your inventory. If available in the repair item on quantity on hand, then calculate the amount and integrate it to the general inventory. Third, select the wood handle. Wood handle not available in the my database. You select wood handle. Wood handle. Only updated than the unit price, cost price by 350. Next, blade item. Blade item. Select the blade item first. Wood blade. Wood blade. Not applicable on the quantity on hand. And unit price 500. Integrated to the your general inventory. Second one, white willow blade. Select the item white willow blade from your inventory list and add the price on 450 on the cost price. Already we added on the selling price at the inventory master file. Here add on the quantity on hand and unit cost. You know that the balance sheet we take, inventory we take the cost amount. Next, cost amount. That should be added to the our inventory account. The selling price we charge from our customers in our revenue. But sometimes company might having a quantity on hand at the beginning date because of the customers given on repair item. There should be the items quantity on hand. Maybe. Right. Next. Shoe item. Shoe item. Select first one. Puma cricket shoe. Puma cricket shoe. Select this item. Now quantity on hand available. Finish code 70 item. Cost price 2,500. 2,500. Then total amount on 175,000. Select on here inventory, general inventory, add. Right? Second one, Adidas cricket shoe. Adidas cricket shoe. A quantity on hand 50 item. Unit price 1,800. The total amount on 90,000 integrated to the general inventory. Last one, Nike cricket shoe. Identify the difference between the repair item or service item, not quantity on hand. The finished good item and the raw material items are quantity on hand. Likewise, your projects also decide on that way. Whether this item having a beginning quantity on hand or zero. Last one. Sorry, you go the last. Cricket bat item. Wood cricket bat. Wood cricket bat. A quantity on hand on 20 and unit price 1,500. Amount and integrated to the inventory account. Next one. Bradbury cricket bat. Not difficult, eh? Select the item, given quantity on hand, and unit price 1650, 1650, and add on general inventory. Then MRF cricket and A sport cricket. Add 2 items. Anyhow, service item, no inventories like ground hiring, like this, no? The coaching, cricket practicing. Last section, cricket bags. Woodworm cricket bag. Woodworm cricket bag. Quantity on hand 10. 2,800 per item. Integrate to the general inventory. Then Kokomura cricket bag. Quantity on hand 15 and 3,200. Correctly you insert the amount, otherwise system will create the difference by your inventory account and the control account. Both should be equal. Okay? Right. Any question? What's your issue? Sorry? Can't take. Can take, but you can't edit some beginning balances. Carefully you handle the beginning. Because of that, again you have to be insert the journal entry. Right, we'll see. Right. Go to the right. Complete all item. You ensure that before recording this, you ensure that all items are okay. In my case, no all item. Only I select the few items. Then click on record. Then go to the journal here. Journal. No display the journal. You set the period 23 customization 1st April. Then enter. That total amount equals to the your general ledger inventory control amount. Record first of all. Otherwise, you have to create the journal entry again and again. 23. Record journal. Single page, not double page. Okay? You are not complete full inventory item, don't be recorded the journal entry. First, you have to be complete item and record. I told you, you have to be completed. Compare what you told here. It's okay, no. Then you have to be included the new journal entry. New means different. Different amount. Come on. You got the different amount, 500. Actually, correct amount 555,250. You compare to your the total amount in the general ledger. Where? In the general here, general inventory. Actually, a small mistake in my amount now. 500, 250 now. 250. Change the tutorial. But student, you are accounting student. If you change the 50 rupees here, your trial balance may goes out 150. You have to be adjusted one more item from the journal. But this one, you know, 50 adjusted and you know. Right. Complete the inventory. Complete the customs and supply. All beginnings. Here, small mistake, 50 rupees. That 50 rupees you can edit from here. You want okay? Correct. Okay. Right. Now, after complete all subsidiary ledgers, we'll turn to the recording on general ledger. Right. Right. In the main window, student, listen very carefully. Click on setup. Setup. Balancers. Setup. Balancers. Account opening balance. This is your TB. Look at your balance sheet. 1st April, only available the balance sheet. You are accounting student, no? In the financial year beginning date, you select for the conversion month, only balance sheet item are available. If you select the later period, maybe May, June, July like this, then include in both on balance sheet and P&L. Try to understand this the practical scenario. Right. Read here. Remember, enter all balances positive numbers unless the balances really was negative. If some balances, look at here. Here, building accumulated. It is a debit entry or the credit one? Credit amount. No. In the credit amount, you have to be put with the minus. Got this point? With the minus. Another one example. If you get the bank balance in negative, OD with the minus one. Right. Start to record this TB. Land and improvement. 50 million. Amortization, land and improvement. In the trial balance credit, then minus 5 million. Carefully you enter the amount 5 million. Then building at cost, only available detail account and no head account. Only detail account. Building net cost 35,500,000. 35,500,000. Accumulated depreciation on building 2.5 million. 2.5 million. Demo inventory, sorry, general inventory. The correct amount Student, actually, I don't have other balance ledger account in the property, plant, and equipment. Just only I create the few accounts. No? You have to be at 5,250. Likewise, you enter all amount. The different called historical amount. Different you entered on your historical account. Look at it under the equity, the historical accounts are there. Different you have to be recorded in the historical account. What was it? Yes, go to the Galle here. Don't leave from here. Just to complete the trial balance. In the first time, good question. In the first time, the 555,250 in the subsidiary of inventory, no, that should be not linked in here. In the first time, you have to be manually entered. Then later, the sale and purchase will be integrated in here. The important thing in here, the you have to be complete first master file, all the master file, including the ledger accounts. Okay. Everyone put your signature here. Complete the signature. Shall I put the Epson? Right. Is it confirmed, Chatura? Is it confirmed by next week we will conduct the exam? Mid exam, everybody is, you have to be completed your databases until to this point. You have to be listen carefully, including the online student. You have to be participated on the classes for the mid semester examination on the correct time. 8 o'clock you should be there. 8:15 we will start the exam. Okay, 8:15. Come with the completed databases information system. If you are not completed, no marks will be allocated for your mid exam. Right now we will stop the class.